Welcome to our tutorial about construction lines. AutoCAD uses construction lines, and the tool is located on the Draw panel of the Home tab right here. We can also use the Ray command for construction purposes. Let's create a couple construction lines. Specify the first point and the through point. And let's quickly drop a second construction line. Notice how fast that was with ortho on. As you see, I didn't have to select an endpoint. Construction lines extend to infinity. Let's select one of the lines. Now expand the Properties panel. We see here that this construction line is called X-line. As the name implies, construction lines are pretty useful for construction purposes and for creating support geometry. Let's activate the Copy command. First, we select the geometry to copy. Right-click to finish the selection. Now select the base point, and each left click places another copy of the line. Let's activate the command again. Select this object to copy. Select our base point first, and now each left click places another copy of the line. Press Escape to exit the tool. Okay, let's activate the Trim command. Press Enter to trim everything by everything else. Let's make a window selection, right to left. After I trim a construction line, it is no longer considered a construction line, but a regular line. Let's select one of these entities here. Expand the Properties panel. And we see that we've got a regular line now, no longer an X line or construction line. Okay, let's take a look at the Ray command now. The difference between a ray and a construction line is that a ray has a starting point and the construction line doesn't. With a ray, you select the start point and the through point. And when you trim a ray, it also becomes a regular line. Let's activate the Trim command. Now select this line, expand the Properties panel, and we can see that it is now a regular line. This concludes our tutorial about construction lines.